students, how are you? Welcome to my class. I am Taruna Chaube. Today I am going to teach you chapter 21, page number 257, Man Who Changed the Face of India. My dear children, in every age there are some people who devoted all their time and energy to make lives better for the other people. Such people are remembered as great men. In Indian history, Ashoka was the greatest emperor in the history of ancient India. He ruled almost all the Indian subcontinent from 269 BC to 232 BC. He led a huge army and fought a gruesome battle with the army of Kalinga. He decided to follow and preach the teachings of Buddhism. He worked actively to spread the message of non-violence, peace, and compassion. He constructed rest houses for the travelers. Our national emblem has been taken from the Ashoka pillar to honor and remember him. Akbar was the last king in Indian history to be called great. He ruled from 1556 to 1605. His greatness lies in his qualities and abilities. Akbar liked to rule the country with the goodwill of the people. He was deeply influenced by Hinduism. He treated the Hindu and the Muslims alike. He appointed Hindus to high ranking military and civil posts. He abolished jizya and pilgrim tax on Hindus. India has produced numerous social reformers. Raja Ram Mohan Roy is also sometimes called as the father of modern India. He founded Brahmo Samaj in 1828. He also opposed the practice of sati, child marriage, and caste discrimination. Swami Dayananda Saraswati was a great reformer. He founded Arya Samaj in 1875. He preached against many rituals of the Hindu religion, such as caste discrimination, animal sacrifice, and restrictions of women from reading Vedas. Ramakrishna Paramhans was one of the foremost Hindu spiritual leaders of the country. He also played a key role in the social reform movement in Bengal in 19th century. Swami Vivekananda was one of the most influential spiritual leaders of Vedanta philosophy. He is regarded as the patriot saint of modern India. He founded Ramakrishna Math and Ramakrishna Mission in 1897. The mission conduct extensive work in healthcare, disaster relief, rural management, tribal welfare, education and culture, etc. Vinoba Bhave was an eminent Sanskrit scholar and a social reformer. He was the founder of the Buddhan movement of India in 1951. Mother Teresa was one of the greatest servants of humanity. She was an Albanian Catholic nun. she came to India in 1931. She founded Missionaries of Charity in Kolkata in 1950. She was honored with Nobel Prize for her work. They played a significant role in making India a more progressive and forward looking country. Indian scientists are known all over the world for the several great scientific achievements. Jagdish Chandra Bose was an eminent Indian scientist of the 19th century. He also explained that plants also suffer pain like us. Though he worked in other fields of science, he is best known for his research on the life of plants. C.V. Raman was one of the most renowned scientists produced by India. His full name was Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman. For his pioneering work on scattering of light, C.V. Raman won the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1930. Homi Jahangir Bhabha was the architect of nuclear science of modern India. He was responsible for the creation of two premier institutions. Vikram Sarabhai was one of the greatest scientists of India. He is considered as the father of the Indian space program. He established the Physical Research Laboratory of Ahmedabad in 1947. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was born in a very poor fisherman's family on 15th October 1931 in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. He was the 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007. He was a recipient of several prestigious awards, including the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian honor.